Hello and welcome back. In this video I'm going to discuss about Google My Business verification process. Recently I have verified a Google My Business profile. Let me show you. This is my business profile and I'm already verified. This is the MG landscaping businesses. If you verified, then here you can see that this sign. Okay, and after verification you can edit your profile, reviews, photos, performance, advertise, everything. Okay, so if you face any verification problem, then this video help you how to get a verify in your Google My Business profile step by step. So yeah, I'm making this video after 8 weeks, so that's why this profile already have a 5 ratings. So let me explain. First of all, phone, when you create a Google My Business profile, then you need to verify your phone number. They will be verified in your phone. After verify your phone number, then they will send a code on your email, and they will also verify this is your email. This is a very simple process to get a verified in your problem, this problem. Then then the most important verify the problem in video recording. After email and phone number verification, Google want to get a video verification. So for this verification process, you have to use your phone. Then first of all, sign in your account on your phone, then search on Google My Business profile, and if you click the video verification, then we will get some step. After getting the some step, you will find the video and show video your work or your area, then it will be verified very easily. I will give you this video, that this video will help you
we'll show you how to get your
how can you verified your business. Okay, then after business verification, if your account will be suspended, then you need to sometimes live video verification. Google give you live video verification, your current location, business equipment, proof management, everything. Sometimes Google want to get the live verification, so it is the another process. So after verification problem, if your account will be suspended, then you need to know, you have to provide your business certification, business registration, utility bill, gas bill, internet bill, water bill. Okay, so it will be must match on your businesses, and also you should have your business registration or the license that will help to get recover your account. So hopefully you understand how can you verify your account as me. If you need any help, let me contact us. I will help you, because I am working as a digital marketing expert, and I am also local SEO expert. Thank you so much for watching this video.